Okay. Example number 5, we're going to take our equation, we're going to change it to standard form. We want to write each of these equations in standard form. Okay, so we have y equals 4x minus 9. So in order to take our original equation and change it to standard form, which just as a reminder, standard form is ax plus by equals c. All right, so we want to get all the variables on one side of the equation and the constant on the other. So to do that, the first thing we have to do is we have to move this 4x over because we want to get it over there with the y. So we're going to subtract 4x from both sides. That gives us negative 4x plus y. Okay? Now, the problem with that, it looks okay and everything, but we would rather have a positive x than a negative x. So we're going to multiply both sides by negative 1 because that's going to make the 4x positive. That makes the y negative, and that makes the 9 positive, so that we have a positive a value. Let's look at another example here. Y minus 1 equals negative 2 over 5 times the quantity x plus 3. Right, so this one is in point slope form. We want to change it to standard form. Where was I? We're going to multiply by 5 on each side to eliminate the fraction. We want to get rid of that denominator of 5 right there. So we multiply this side by 5 and we get 5y minus 5. We multiply this side by 5 and that gives us negative 2 times the quantity x plus 3. Then we distribute that 2 inside the parentheses, giving us negative 2x minus 6. So now we are to the point where we can start getting all of the variables to one side and all the constants to the other. So we're going to add 5 to both sides. That gives us 5y on this side and negative 2x minus 1 on this side. And then we'll add 2x to both sides. That gives us 2x plus 5y equals negative 1. When working with an equation with a fractional slope, it's often simpler to first multiply each side of the equation by the denominator. This will eliminate distributing a fraction later on in the equation.